Hi friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to discuss about fatty liver home remedies. This is mainly helpful or if you follow these home remedies, you can get rid of your fatty liver within 3 to 4 months. So don't skip this video, let's go.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
What are all the common home remedies that mainly helpful to prevent the progression of a fatty liver? If a person who have a fatty liver, that mainly the main cause or the main risk factor for a fatty liver is obesity or increasing weight. So you have to control or reduce your weight by 10% from your total weight. So in this manner, you can prevent or you can control your fatty liver progression. So this is the first common remedy that you have to follow strictly. And the second common home remedy is avoid sugar content foods. That mainly if you add sugar in your day-to-day life, that mainly damage your liver and that will leads to progression of fatty liver. So mainly you have to avoid sugar content foods and sugar rich foods, mainly bakery items and cake, that includes some of bread. All these are have high content of sugar or high content of calories. And the next thing you have to avoid is high fructose corn syrup, that may also damage your liver. So the second thing is you have to limit your sugar content foods. And the third thing is you have to add green leafy vegetables. Mainly you have to add green leafy vegetables or you have to take green leafy vegetables 5 to 6 times in a day. How many times you are taking a green leafy vegetables, that mainly helpful to prevent the progression of fatty liver, and mainly you have to avoid sugar content food also. And the next common home remedy or thing you have to follow is exercise. Exercising up to 1 hour for 5 to 6 days in a week mainly helps to prevent the progression of fatty liver and mainly helps to burn the calories and fats in your body. So this is the next common remedy or next common thing you have to follow in your day-to-day life for 3 to 4 months. And the next common home remedy you have to follow in your day-to-day life is you have to add omega-3 fatty acid in your diet. This omega-3 fatty acid mainly seen in fish, that mainly helpful to fight against this fatty liver. So in this manner, this fatty liver can be controlled by taking this fish, but you have to avoid taking fish in a fried manner. Fried fish may also contain fat that will pent up in your body and that will increase the chance to progression of a fatty liver. And the next common remedy you have to follow strictly in your day-to-day life is avoid alcohol and avoid carbonated drinks. These drinks may also contain a fructose or high sugar content that will leads to increase the damage to your liver. And the last common remedy is increase intake of water. Taking water up to 3 liters mainly helpful to eliminate main minerals or unwanted minerals in your body. So in this manner you can control your fatty liver progression within 3 to 4 months. So that's all about today. Next day I will reach you with another topic. Thank you and have a nice day.